Good afternoon, everyone. As we wrap up the second week of the 8-week session, it means that we have covered 1/4 of the class, or the equivalent of 1 month worth of work in a regular semester. Please check the schedule found in the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. I also post them on the Blackboard calendar. Please look at the calendar below. A few reminders are in order. Map quiz number 1, North America, Latin America, and the Caribbean is due tonight, Friday, April 13th by 11:59 p.m. Please find the quiz in the Week 2 module or in the assessment section of Blackboard. Reflection number 1 became available Wednesday, April 11th, and is due tomorrow, Saturday, April 14th by 11:59 p.m. Please read the directions carefully and submit it according to the submission guidelines. Number 3, exam number 1, chapters 1 through 4, became available Thursday, April 12th, and is due Sunday, April 15th by 11:59 p.m. Please read the directions carefully and submit it by the deadline. Remember that both Map quiz number 1 and exam number 1 can be resubmitted an unlimited number of times. The last submission by the deadline will be your final. You can resubmit after the deadline, but it will be marked late and you will lose points. Additional issues. Make sure and read the assigned chapters in your textbook, as well as make sure and review the PowerPoint lectures. I have included an instructional video for each of the lectures. The videos are from the 11th edition of the textbook, but they will still work. You will need to make references to specific chapters in your reflections. A friendly reminder that in an online course, you need to be logging in Blackboard on a regular basis, preferably daily. If you are not logging in to Blackboard, it means that you are not attending class. In a regular face-to-face course, you may be dropped from the course if you are not attending class. The same applies to this online course. I have already dropped some students who don't log in the course. I still have about 12 students who have not completed the special topics in cultural geography discussion number 1. Remember that this is not the same as the cultural geography news discussion number 1. If you do not submit it by the deadline, points will be taken off the farther you are from the deadline. Don't miss out on those valuable 50 points. On Sunday, I will be sending an announcement telling you what is happening on the upcoming week number 3. Have a nice weekend and a lucky Friday the 13th. Best, Samuel Cortez.